thunderstorm watch number 634, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks,
Yes.
Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Cary, Schuylkill, and York.
Oh boy. 52 is going off as well.
Severe weather information.
Got the tail end of it, but
Here is the
nope, not them.
or internet sources for the latest. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight tonight. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official next.
Alright, that was the first alert of the day. Let's see what else comes up. Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cary County.
That is QKX.
Southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania. Northwestern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and fence. Locations in Texas include Elizabethville, Fort Trevor, New Buffalo,
There we go.
Fingerstown, Lebuck, Leckhill, Urban, Liverpool, Halifax, Grants, and Dalmatia. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania.
New Buffalo, Fingerstown, Lebuck,
Yeah, Caleb's not relaying.
and Dalmatia. Stay inside a well-built Berry County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania. Northumberland County in
There they
central
go.
Pennsylvania, northeastern Berry County, southeastern Snyder County
Now they
in
go.
central
Okay.
Pennsylvania.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties:
Until 8
Dauphin,
p.m. Eastern
Northumberland,
Daylight Time,
Cary,
a
and
severe
Snyder.
thunderstorm was located over Millersburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Northumberland, Cary, and Snyder. Yeah.
Preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in State College. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Whoa.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm, and may lead to flash flood. Like new.
It restores your
Alright, yeah, I don't know why Craig says it like that, but that's weird. But there you go, that was our first SVR of the day.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia.
Yep. Oh boy.
go to
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central northwestern Virginia, East Central Hampshire County, and
Damage and winds will cause some trees and large branches.
3 p.m. a severe 14 miles north of Star Tannery, Oregon, 14 miles southwest of Greenwood, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Alright, I think WLTF is going off for this as well.
Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized floor of a building. Now for the official national web. Gainsborough, Gore, Whittaker, and Timber Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, there was that. Alright, well, there we go.
2:32 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located near Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
A little late, but better late than missing it. Get back here, 97.
Slightly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Beach, 14-foot band light, Slaughter Beach, East Point, Long Light, Brandywine Shoreline. Move to safe harbor until after. In the lower 40 for East Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Berkeley County in the Panhandle.
Oh, here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
WAIW is going off too.
Of Winchester, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds.
Radio locator says WUSQ relays, but just to show you that they don't relay SVRs. Here you go.
The 2 p.m. observation. Locations impacted include Stevenson, Clear Brook, Gainsborough, Cedar Hill, and Cedar Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the floor of a building.
You're gonna have to deal with the interference with WPPY. Thank you, Sterling, again for issuing an SMW.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for 50 north of Fools Island, Maryland until 4 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Turkey Point, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 4 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, floaters and looks up in higher winds and waves capsizing cruises. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, and Sioux City Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather ceases. Here is the regional weather forecast.
That was the SMW.
For the eastern
Couldn't hear the EOMs that well, but that was the SMW. 36 is going off with something.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for
NSMW.
tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Fairview Beach, moving northeast.
You know, I
at
think
10
it's the
knots.
same one that toned over 80,
Hazard, wind gusts
83 and
34 knots
97.
or greater and small hail.
But I guess I'll count this one too.
Source, radar indicated. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Nippers Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Oak Street, Swan Point, Fairview Beach, and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the National Weather
Yeah, that was the
Service
same
marine
one.
forecast for the tidal. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central King George County and central Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near King George, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Excuse me.
radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include King George, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Woodinville, Lambs Creek, Bertheville, Jersey, Shiloh, and Duluth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has was located near Millsboro or near Georgetown, at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Vehicles power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Hillsborough, Milton, and Logan Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, Delaware. For the following areas.
Thanks, Mount Holly, for that SVR.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland until 7:15 p.m.
I don't feel like getting any other radio.
At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Montgomery Village or near Damascus, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Gaithersburg, Olney, Damascus, Montgomery Village, Redmond, Clarksburg, Durwood, Washington Grove, Laytonsville, Brookville, Glenwood, Dayton, Poplar Springs, Roxbury Mills, and Greenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The Marine Corps 758 radio and television outlet,
shucks.
or internet city hall, or near Middle River, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size.
I'm always late to the party.
Source, radar indicates cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured
Excuse me.
Hamilton Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Bel-Air South, Parkville, Coney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, White Marsh, Fallston, Riverside, Hampton, Kingsville, Pleasant Hills, Perryman, Edgewood, Johnstown, and Nottingham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeat. Warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, and Hartford. Here is the regional weather forecast.
Well, I'm always late to the party.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 12:30.
Does WROZ go off for FFWs for Berks? I think I've seen them doing it before, but I can't recall.
Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional
I'll see if they
rainfall
relay it.
amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Kutztown, Hamburg, Shoemakersville, Leonardsville, and Clausville. This includes the following highways: Northeast Extension near mile marker 62.
Pardon.
Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 53. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Monday for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. This is the
Okay, I remember one time WROZ actually relayed an FFW for Berks, and I think that was a time they were Fun 101.3, but I guess since they're our Air 1 now, I guess they don't do it anymore. But I remember one time they did it, but I was just wondering if they still did it. But anyway, there you go. There was Mount Holly's talk. SMW. Yep. So now that it's nighttime, 97 shouldn't have a problem running away from me.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 10:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortesk Beach, Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, East Point, Bowers Beach, Miami Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a flood watch statement.
What is it, 36?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central Howard County in Central Maryland, East Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland until 12:45
Excuse me. I wonder if I can. Let's see. FM here. Let's go to 107.3 so we can get WLVW. Whoa. Yep.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
See if I think W.
Only Highland,
Yep.
Berks
Sandy Spring. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be
Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the
Alright, now I gotta turn these things off. Alright. Alright, that was an FFW. Thanks, Sterling.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County,
There's
South
WROZ.
Central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County,
Oh,
South
here we
Central
go.
Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
The National Weather Service has...
locations impacted include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, Leola, Paradise,
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties, Lancaster and York.
Effective until 10:04 p.m., the National Weather Service in State College has issued a...
severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
In
warning
South
has been
Central
issued until
Pennsylvania,
9:45
southeastern
p.m.
York
for the following
County, in
counties,
South Central
Lancaster
Pennsylvania,
and York.
storm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties, Lancaster and York. Effective at 8:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Uh-oh.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Smithville, moving southeast at 15
FFW.
miles per hour. Lancaster County, in South Central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County, in South Central Pennsylvania. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
The National
Expect
Weather
wind
Service
damage.
in State College
Do not
has
drive
issued
your
a flash
vehicle
flood warning for
road.
Central Lancaster County
Oh,
and South Central
yeah.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued for steering.
8:35 p.m.
Radar indicated.
Radar indicated
Impact,
thunderstorms
hail
producing
damage to
heavy rain
vehicles
across
is
the Warren
expected.
area.
Expect wind at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter sizes.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Rain.
Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying
Very
areas.
heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe...
I wonder if the FMs are going to relay the FFW. I don't know.
Millersville, Willow Street, Leola, Leacock, Safe Harbor, Shanks Ferry, Bearville, Lampeter, Conestoga, Bird in Hand, Smoketown, Franklin and Marshall College, Millersville University and Dutch Wonderland. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county, Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
No one seems to be relaying the FFW.
The National Weather Service in State College.
There you,
Flash flood.
there you go. That was a double header.